Sometimes, the most important things are not the ones that we can see. We can't touch them, smell them, or hear them, but they are essential to life. Zinc is one of these things. Zinc powders and oxides are in our food, in our skin, in our batteries, in our cars. Zinc chemicals are everywhere, and it is our responsibility to produce them in a way that is safe, sustainable, and reliable. As a global leader in our industry, we need to take care of the people and the world we live in. That's why we put all our efforts and passion to offer the highest quality standards to our customers. More than 40% of our products are made of recycled materials. Thanks to our unique technology and innovative spirit, we make sure to improve this number every year, reducing our ecological footprint. We don't just make zinc. We create products that matter. We are EverZinc.